Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making brownie bites. Now these bite-sized treats are the perfect balance between fudgy and cakey, and the best part is they're easy to make. So let's get started. Alright, so getting things started, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. We're also going to spray a 24 cup mini muffin pan with butter or a non-stick spray. And now in a medium-sized sauce pot, we want to add in 10 tablespoons worth of unsalted butter alongside 1 cup's worth of granulated white sugar, 2/3 cups worth of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Allow this to melt and mix as you stir the ingredients together until they're well combined. And then you want to remove it from the stovetop to allow this to cool for at least 5 minutes. We're also going to whisk in 2 large eggs and whisk until they're well combined. We're going to add 1/2 cup's worth of all-purpose flour into the mix and mix it until it's just combined. And finally, you want to add in 1/2 cup's worth of milk chocolate chips and mix this batter until it's well dispersed and no flour remains. You want to scoop the batter into our prepared muffin pans. Transfer this to the oven and bake it for 12 to 14 minutes or until the tops of the brownie bites are shiny and cracked. You want to remove them from the oven and allow the brownie bites to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. You can use the edge of a fork or a knife to remove the brownie bites from the pan, and these are ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made brownie bites right at home. As you can see, making these brownie bites from scratch really takes no effort at all. These can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for 1 week or even frozen for 2 months. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. That's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this dessert. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you another great chocolate dessert, my chocolate cream pie. You're gonna really like this one, and I can't wait to show you guys how to make it. Well, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make them. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.